आप और अपर्णा दोनों, have you dedicated this to have you dedicated this show to your
This is
parents?
much more than just about being a mother. It's about being a daughter also. It's about being about parenting in India, in urban India. How even small town India, urban India, the issues are becoming so much more about how other people judge you than your own relationship with your child. So I think it's a dedication to all parents. And I started off dedicating it to my mother when I started this story. I've ended up dedicating it to my son.
And
Aparna ji,
Aparna,
you also.
the topic in itself is so relatable, right? I mean, I have a 12-year-old and I've been through this complete journey, and whether it's competing at the PTA, getting selected to the PTA or not, it's kind of an election, you know. So if you don't win in it, you know you're such a loser mom. Or being a working mother and being actually questioned by your teacher saying that you don't seem to spend quality time with your child, you know. Like there was a time when two mothers of a 2-year-old who was standing next to me were discussing how their child can write a E and the other child can write a F, and I was like, what the F? Because mine couldn't do a also, you know. So, so that really is the truth. So from the stigma of being a working mother to having the entire family expect you to be the perfect mother all the time, along with being the perfect bahu and the wife all the time, of course. This really is a tribute to all of us, to all the yummy mummies, you know, we come in all shapes and sizes and colors and with all backgrounds, but really, this is to all of us. So thank you so much, Ekta, the team, Ropali. Mentalhood really is about going mental all the time, you know. So thank you once again.
एकता मेरा आपसे ये सवाल, दूसरा सवाल ये है कि आपने ये शो अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखाया, मतलब जीतू सर एंड मैम ने देखा है ये शो? क्योंकि ये दिखाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब
ये
से।
एक्चुअली हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि एक सेंसर करेंगे पहले 3 एपिसोड का और एक बिग स्क्रीनिंग रखेंगे, और मैं चाहती हूँ मेरी मॉम ये सब अपने दोस्तों को बुलाकर एक साथ देखे, बिकॉज मैं ये किसी को, अपने फैमिली को ये बिग स्क्रीन पे दिखाना चाहती हूँ। ये ऐसा शो है मेरे लिए, मैंने बहुत काम किया अपनी लाइफ में, बट ये मैं इजीली कह सकती हूँ कि मैंने 3 एपिसोड देखते वक्त मैं खुद हंसी हूँ और खुद रोई हूँ। एंड आई एम नॉट फेल्ट लाइक दिस अबाउट माई ओन वर्क for a long, long time. I'm seriously feeling proud. So I want to show my parents this with everybody in a big screen, you know.
And I have voice notes from Ekta that I'm going to sell very soon. If anybody wants, just call me. You know, Sandy, you know, Ajo. You know, I'll sell them to you. Anybody wants them, just call me.
I'd like to add something. Just dive in. Request to all the writers. मेरी अपनी एक फिल्म थी, उसमें एक डायलॉग था, तुम्हें पता है मेरा बाप कौन है? मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा राइटर्स से, अब इस शो के बाद लिखना शुरू करेंगे, तुम्हें पता है मेरी माँ कौन है?
All right, let's have a question from you. You've been waiting.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shrishti from News 18. You know, this show deals with bullying, sort of domestic violence also, and, you know, how to deal with a teenage daughter. All under the, you know, premise of entertainment. But it seems that there is some kind of a serious message also underneath. So my question is for the writer, like, what is the exact message that you want to convey through this show? And is this a feminist show?
All shows should be feminist shows as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
But for this
But
show,
nobody never really, I mean, accepts the fact that, you know, that it is
it's a show
yeah.
about mothers, and I don't think that there's anything more important to a mother than protecting their kid, whether it's from bullying, whether it's from themselves, whether it's from any kind of abuse. So that's there is no other take on this. You know, there can't be, but there are various circumstances, and that's what this portrays in every episode.
Thank you.
All right,
Hi,
let's.
this is Shubhanka from Miss Malini. Yeah, I just wanted to ask a question to all the women, all the women in the
You might
show.
have to be a little louder.
Yes. Yeah. So I just wanted to ask a question to all the women in the show, that when we watched the trailer, it seemed more of, though it's a story about motherhood, it also seemed like, you know, it was a story about how all of you as women bonded through the, so to, I just wanted to know how your experience was shooting for the.
Can I just take
Yeah.
this? I actually just want to comment on the fact that other than the very dashing Dino and, as I was calling him, Sanjay ji earlier, and all the other men. This is largely a women-driven team. The cast is female, the director is female, the producer is female, the broadcaster is female, the writer is female. So we were literally an all-women's team. Of course, again, talking of the DOP, he was a gentleman, but largely the entire show was run on pure feminine energy. And I think what was really nice, and as you can see it in the trailer, is that eventually, even though we all spar and we have so many disagreements, we all kind of come together and support each other as all women should, because women don't need a preamble about their problems. They just get it. If you tell a girlfriend that you're having a hard time with your kids, you don't have to explain it. She just know what it's like to feel bothered about your child, about your career, about aging, about, you know, being judged, about judging, and all the things that come under anything that has to do with womanhood. And as you can see in the show, even though there's lots of scenes where Ajo terrorizes the entire lot of us, we eventually come together as such a strong force. And I think you're going to see a lot of it in the 10 episodes.
Thank you so much.
Can
Hello?
we take one last question, please?
I have one more question. First of all, congratulations to the entire cast and crew on this wonderful trailer. And Karishma ma'am, welcome back. Over here, ma'am. Over here. Here. Hi. Yeah, so welcome back once again. And the first question that I would like to ask you is the fact that, you know, I mean, how excited are you to show this to your kids? Because first of all, you're coming back after a long time.
Well, I'm super excited and very emotional because, I mean, like the writer just told you, and I mean, Ekta's told you, all of us have told you, there is a meaning behind this show. There is a learning behind this show. Each episode has a message for everyone out there. I mean, even men watching this show will be like, oh my God, I didn't realize this. You know, we deal with bullying, with gender, with exam fever, with health, you know, various surrogacy. I mean, there are various topics today. So it's actually entertainment, and you learn something at the end of this journey of each episode, which is so beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for answering this. And one question to Ekta ma'am as well, which is, you know, we all know by now why the title, I mean, why this title, Mentalhood. But, you know, whose brainchild was this?
My beautiful, stunning writer, Ritu.
Kudos to you for that. Wonderful.
She has relentlessly worked on it for 3.5 years. She's gone through her own emotional ups and downs through this. And she gave this title Mentalhood because we made her mental writing it.
Yeah. The title was Ekta's. At the end of episode 1 narration, she just came up with it, and I was like, yeah, actually.
हेलो हेलो मैं शिल्पा जी से जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
Shilpa, we have to hear you now.
नमस्ते. बहुत ही सुंदर था. I think I've come back after like 3 years, and I am really grateful for this experience. Thank you, Karishma, for making that call, and thank you, Ekta. Really, I mean it, because मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसे में वापस आके फिर से काम करना पसंद करूँगी. But this was like a perfect story, a perfect setup. Such wonderful actors. I could have never imagined that I'll be sharing the frame with, you know, what I mean. It's a dream come true. Thank you.
Okay, let's take one last. This is Pakka last, huh?
Tilo
has to
answer
something.
So Tilotma, it's my question to you that how was your experience when you got your character, and what all was in your mind when you got this finally that you have to portray it, because we saw it in a different way. So what was your experience?
I was shocked. Look at my face. Arey, where's that poster gone? My mouth is open, na? There's a reason, you know, because when I got the call, I was like, you know, I'm a Bengali, right? And, you know, I pride myself to be very intellectual kind, you know. किताबें पढ़ती हूँ. तो ये character जो आपने कहा प्रीति वतन आई, वो आप किसी और को दे दीजिए ना. I was Ritu, Karishma, I was like, guys, it's the wrong number here, you know. I don't understand what made them believe in me being able to pull this off. And speaking of the word nepotism, I have heard about this in the industry a lot. I'm really, you know, I was really, really touched that Ekta, who's never met me, I've never met her,
you know, I was so warmly welcomed into this family. And I never felt that I was an outsider, you know. Given that Alt Balaji and Ekta, and, you know, I mean, they've been here for, you know, they're ruling the roost. And for an independent actor like me, you know, very Bengali and nerdy to be playing this Punjabi mother is quite incredible. And I don't know anything about motherhood, but I do know that when the show started, my relationship with, you know, what my mother means to me took a very, very dramatic turn. And during that time, the sisterhood of, you know, these women on stage was really, really precious, you know, to work with women who really support, like it takes a village to raise a child. But I also think women like deal with so much that to have the camaraderie and love and support of women in life and professionally, and, you know, when women embrace each other, especially in a professional setup, you can't stop us. And, you know, I mean, Ekta's leading the, you know, this brigade, and you can call us the Behenji Brigade, you can call us whatever you want, but, oh, well. But I'm very thankful to be part of this family, and thank you for making me feel so welcome.
I'd like to say this. I think before we look like we're complimenting each other, we're not. But how can she say that we welcomed her? We are honored to work with her. She's a fantastic actor. And so are all these women and great men on the stage. Alt Balaji's honored you guys did this show.
All right, thank you so much for being a brilliant audience. And here's to all our moms and the Mental Hood cast. Let's hear it for them.
Say that I'm really, really lucky. My mother is here today.
Oh, wow.
She happened to be in town. Nobody talked to her because I don't want her to tell you my stories. So I'll not introduce you face to face. But she's here and I'm really blessed. And she was also there when I started my first journey with Ekta years ago with Koshish Asha. And this is a very good sign. This is like a huge sign. Thank you.
And let's have one last photo up, please.
One special mention for the producing team, Rupali and Pinto and her entire lot. All the wonderful managers, the support team. We couldn't have done it without you guys. I look so pretty.
All right, let's have...